I have given you so many videos before it, and all the videos will give you the clear concept. Today, actually, I want to give you a video on mole concept and the techniques used to solve all types of problems related to mole concept. I think it would be clear for you. You will watch it, share and subscribe. Now I am going to start the topic today, mole concept. Mole concept. As we know, 1 dozen is always equal to 12. It means we represent 1 dozen is equal to 12. If you are asked to find out how many are in one scoop, that is equal to 20. So there are so many fixed numbers that are called by a unit, that is counting unit, as same as. This mole is also a counting unit. It will also give you a definite number of particles. If you want to find out the number of particles in 1 mole of any of the substance, that will always have the fixed number of particles. As 1 dozen of banana, that consists always 12, it is fixed. As same as mole concept. Under mole concept, mole consists different number of particles. And simply we define, if we take definitions, mole is defined as the amount of substance, that consists large number of particles, as the SMH, as the number of atoms presenting 12 gram of carbon, 12 atoms. It means how many particles are present in 1 mole. We can find out with the help of this 12 gram of carbon atoms. As we know, the mass of 1 carbon atoms, that is equal to 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. Let number of particles present in 1 mole of carbon 12. Suppose this is, you see here, suppose number of particles present in 1 mole of carbon 12, that is N0. So mass of suppose, so mass of N0 particles of carbon 12, that is mass of one particle, mass of one carbon atom into N0, and we know the gram atomic mass of carbon, gram atomic mass of carbon is equal to 12 gram. So 12 gram of carbon consists, the mass is equal to mass into one carbon atom into 16 N0. So total mass is here 12. Thus mass of one carbon atom into N0. This total mass is here mass of carbon, that is 12 gram of carbon. So N0 can be calculated, that is 12 gram, and mass of one carbon atom, that is given here 1.99 into 10 to the power minus 23 gram. If you calculate it, you will get 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. It means this N0, we have got this. This N0 is called Avogadro's number, and it is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. It means 1 mole of any of the substance. Thus 1 mole of any substance, suppose substance, that will consist 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 particles. That is also called N0 or Avogadro's number. Suppose you are asked the number of particles in atom or in molecules or in ions. Suppose you are asked to find out the number of particles, suppose atoms. In case of atoms, in 1 mole of an atom, we are considering atom, so 1 mole always consists 6.02, 2 into 10 to the power 23. So 1 mole of an atom, that will always consist 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of that atoms. This number of atoms, N0 into M, if you multiply it by mass, that is equal to gram atomic mass. It means 1 mole of an atoms, that is equal to these atoms. It is also represented in gram atomic mass. You will take example. Suppose 1 mole of sodium. You can write here 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 atoms of sodium, and it is equal to atomic mass of sodium, that is 23 gram atomic mass of sodium. It is SMH molecules. SMH in molecule, we will see in molecules. SMH, 1 mole of any molecule, 1 mole of any molecule. Suppose we are taken 1 mole and the substance is molecule, then 1 mole of any molecule, that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. That would be molecules. In case of atom, it was atom, but in case of molecules, this number will be the number of molecules. And if you want to find out the mass of that molecules, that is gram molecular mass, that would be equal to gram molecular mass. Gram molecular mass. As you take the example, suppose 1 mole of water, 1 mole of water. It means that is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of water, and its gram molecular mass, it means molecular mass of water is 18, that will be in gram of water. But in terms of volume, suppose in terms of volume, you find out the volume in 1 mole of gas. In case of gas, suppose, and you have to change it in volume. It means in volume. From Avogadro's, according to Avogadro's hypothesis. Avogadro's hypothesis says that at constant temperature and pressure, equal volume of all gases, all types of gases, contains equal number of molecules. It means equal volume of any gas, that will always consist equal number of molecules. Equal number of molecules. That will consist equal number of molecules. It means equal number of molecules. Suppose the molecules in 1 mole is 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules is here of gas 1. Suppose gas first, other gas 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules. Suppose it is gas 2. If different gases are here but equal number of molecules, these consist equal number of molecules, so their volume would be volume will be same. It means at STP, the volume of gas is equal to 22.4 liter of 1 mole of gas. 1 mole of gas, and this number of molecule is also equal to 1 mole of gas. It means 1 mole of any gas, 1 mole of any gas, that will always consist the equal volume at STP, that is 22.4 liter at STP, standard temperature and pressure. and 1 mole of that gas consists, if you try to find out the molecules, 1 mole of any gas, that will always consist, the particles would be 6.022 into 10 to the power 23 molecules of gas. Molecules of gas. Molecules will remain same. But if we measure the volume, 1 mole of that gas will always consist 22.4 liters. Now this is mole concept, and just I am giving you the techniques to convert or to solve all types of problems related to mole concept. Now see here, suppose one thing is given and you are asked to find out. Suppose given atomic mass is given. Suppose atomic mass. This is actually given. Atomic mass is given. And you have to find out the moles. You have to find out mole. Number of moles. How many moles would be? So atomic mass which is given, it is divided by, you use your symbol, divided by the molar mass, gram atomic mass, gram atomic mass. It means if you divide this given atomic mass by gram atomic mass, you will get number of moles. If number of moles are here, suppose 3 moles, 0.5 moles, and you are asked to find out the number of particles. So you will have to, this is number of atoms. Here particle is atoms. Number of atoms you have to find out. So this number of moles, it is multiplied. You see here, this is multiplied. Simply MULTI multiplied by, it is multiplied by moles. It is multiplied by Avogadro's number. Avogadro's number N0. That is equal to 6.022 into 10 to the power 23. The mole is here. If you multiply it by N0, Avogadro's number, you will get number of atoms. And suppose just reverse, if number of atoms are here and you are asked to find out this, the number of moles, then you will have to divide it. Divide it by N0. Given number is here, number of atoms are there, and you will have to divide it by N0. Then you will get number of moles. And from number of moles, if you want to find out atomic mass, then you will have to multiply it. Multiply by what number you will multiply? By gram atomic mass. Gram atomic mass is here. If mole is there, if you multiply it, you will get the atomic mass. Because atomic given mass by molar mass, that is equal to mole. So this atomic mass would be gram atomic mass into number of moles. In case of, suppose you want to find out atomic mass to number of atoms. So you will have to proceed. You will have to reach here and then reach here. You can get the all types of sums related to it. In case of molecules, suppose in molecules. In molecules here, for molecules. Suppose given mass is here, molar mass, given, suppose from question, and you are asked to find out the moles. Then suppose you have to find out the number of moles. How many moles would be there? Then this given mass is divided by, you will divide it by, that is gram molecular mass. It means that given molecular mass is divided by the gram molecular mass of the molecule. Then you will get number of molecules. Again, if you find out the number of particles, you have to find out number of particles, that is number of molecules from moles. Then you will have to multiply it by m0. Then you will get the number of molecules. As same as, suppose if you find, just come back from number of molecules to number of moles, you will have to divide it by m0. Then you will get the number of moles. And if from this, if you try to find out the molecular mass of the given substance, then you will have to multiply by gram molecular mass. You will have to multiply it. Then you will reach here. Now in case of gaseous molecules, if one number of moles you have to find out. Molar mass is there, you will have to find out number of moles, and you will have to find out the volume of gas. How can you find out from number of moles? So you will have to multiply it by 22.4 liter, and just if your volume is there, you will find out the number of moles. Then it is divided by 22.4 liter. So this is the chart, or very clues through which you can solve all types of problems. I think you will watch it, show and appreciate. Thank you. Next day, other videos will be loaded if you like it. Thank you and have a nice day.